It has a new Graves exhaust on that badass thing. Sounds just filthy. Filthy! We'll cut to that clip coming up.
We're not synced up, are we?
Do you want it? Yeah, let's do that. I think it's the 20.
There we go.
It was quick. I was like, I forgot it. We made it easy that time. Okay, so that's in. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Thank you. Oh, fuck. It's just buttery smooth, dude. You good? Alright. Oh my God. I like this riding position, dude. Are you going to keep these bars? Because I like these. Yeah, I don't even... I'm in third and it doesn't even need third right now. That's perfect right there. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this Suburban ahead of me, is all over the place. I guess. This is intimidating. Dude, when you were next to me at the light, I was saying on the camera, I was like, man, the bark on this thing is just beautiful. Just feels awesome. I mean, it just feels comfortable. Not even, you know, working hard. All right, I'm going to goose this. Oh my God. Yeah, I mean, I'm just not kidding how comfortable this bike is. That's what's really blowing me away. Not just the power and everything else, just the sound. I mean, this is actually the most comfortable sport bike I've ever been on. Or super sport, I should say. Yeah, fuck. Incredible. And it feels like I was talking to Mark about, it does almost feel like a 600 when you look down. Just, you know, the nimbleness and the lightness of it and the comfort of it. Wow. Oh, that sounds wonderful. Oh my God, and I can easily almost flat foot this thing nearly. It's pretty comfortable. How you doing on my slow baby? Using all the torque she's got. I may forget you because I'll be laughing so hard, but if I forget to say thank you already. I want to stay slow enough here for tickets. Alright, now we can goose it. Holy smokies. Yeah, beautiful fucking tack, is all white, nice digital information, all clear on a big screen. Yeah, it's not a tricolor, you know what I mean, display, but you don't need it. I mean, it's all clear. I mean, really, that's just a gadgety gadget, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go around this guy. He's all over the place. I gotta try that quick shifter now. Yeah, just at the lights, Oh wow. Yeah, that's it, effortless, dude. That is effortless. I've had a couple of quick shifters, man, I've tried. That thing was just beautiful. I love it. It's a giggle factory, dude. You slow down, it sounds good. You go fast, it sounds good. my wad. That is just awesome, dude. I'm so happy for you, man, because I know you've been playing, you know, you tried so many bikes, and I know you like them all, but this is such a unique ride. It's just so awesome you could get it, you know, get it. Like I said, I know you were, you know, looking at the MVs and looking at this and looking at that, and oh, dude, excellent choice. Dude, excellent choice. Here. Oh, look at this mountain shot. Poor fucking condo's blocking the view, man. Mornings like this is why I live here, man. It is absolutely perfect right now. Probably 80 degrees, 85. Have a good weekend, guys, whatever you're doing. Be safe. Hope you get a beauty one like this somewhere where you're at. And if not today, tomorrow. Later. Oh, I love it. You can find this kickstand too on this versus a Ducati. Oh my goodness gracious. Looks sick. The carbon. Fuck, dude, it's just gorgeous. And that gray is the blue. Beautiful. The Bosch felt, I mean, it felt like I was in a Mercedes. It felt incredible. So comfortable. Dude, you may have really tempted me away from, you know, a 959 or anything else. I'm not kidding you.
Dude, I would.